Well, hello there! Are you ready to have some fun? A party is just around the corner and it's time to get excited. You've got your outfit and shoes ready, but what about your makeup? It's an essential part of your look. Why not do it yourself? It's a fun way to kick off the night and get into the party spirit. Put on some music, relax, and enjoy the process. Let the rhythm guide your brush strokes. Doing your own makeup is like being an artist. Your face is the canvas. Unleash your creativity. You get to decide a little sparkle here, a rosy touch there. Make it uniquely you. No need to be an expert. We'll keep it simple and fun. Just follow along and enjoy the process. Think of this as a creative project, a chance to play with colors and textures. This guide is for anyone new to makeup or looking for fresh ideas. Everyone can join in the fun. We'll focus on a healthy, glowy look, perfect for winter parties. You'll look radiant and feel confident. No tricky techniques, just easy steps from skin prep to finishing touches. Anyone can do it. So grab a comfy chair, a mirror, and your makeup. Let's get everything set up. The most important thing? Have fun with it. Enjoy every moment. If something goes wrong, just wipe it off and try again. It's all part of the fun. There are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Embrace them. Ready? Let's begin our makeup adventure. Take a deep breath and dive in. Let's make you shine tonight. You're going to look amazing. You're about to become your own makeup artist. Let's get started. Here we go. Why go for a glowy look in winter? When the days are short and the air is chilly, it's easy for our skin to lose its natural radiance. But a luminous, glowing complexion can instantly lift your mood and your look. Winter can make skin look dull, but a glowy base brings instant life. It's like a little pick-me-up for your face, making you look more awake and refreshed even on the grayest days. It's like carrying your own sunshine to the party. That subtle glow can make you stand out in a crowd, adding warmth and energy to your whole vibe. Glowy skin catches the light, making you look radiant and happy. It reflects positivity and gives your features a soft, healthy dimension. Party lights love a bit of glow. It's flattering and festive. Under twinkling lights, your skin looks extra luminous, perfect for winter gatherings. This isn't about looking shiny, but healthy and hydrated. The right glow mimics the look of well-moisturized, cared-for skin. A glowy base visually restores moisture, perfect for dry winter skin. It helps disguise flakiness and gives the illusion of plump, nourished skin. It's like giving your face a warm jumper. That cozy, radiant look is comforting and inviting, just like your favorite sweater. We're aiming for a soft, pearly radiance, not a disco ball. The goal is a gentle, natural-looking glow that enhances your features. This look makes you appear fresh and awake, even if you're tired. It's a little beauty trick for those early mornings or late nights. It's a secret weapon for looking your best at any age. Glowy skin flatters everyone from teens to grandparents. A little radiance flatters everyone. No matter your skin tone or age, a touch of glow brings out your natural beauty. Ready to learn how to create this winter glow? Let's get started. Time to glow. Grab your favorite products and let's make some magic. Let's make your skin shine from within so you can glow all season long. Before foundation, let's prep the skin. This step is like setting the stage for everything that comes next, so don't rush it. Start with a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water. This helps remove any dirt or leftover makeup, leaving your skin fresh and calm. Pat your face dry. Be kind to your skin. Rubbing can cause irritation, so always use a soft towel and gentle motions. Next, moisturize. Winter air can be harsh, so use a rich, comforting cream. This step helps lock in hydration and keeps your skin feeling plump. Massage it in with upward circular motions for a mini face massage. This boosts circulation and helps your skin absorb all that goodness. Let it sink in for a few minutes. Giving your moisturizer time to absorb means your makeup will sit better and last longer. Now primer, choose one labeled illuminating or radiant. This is your secret weapon for a healthy, lit from within look. These add a subtle glow, no glitter, just a soft sheen. It's like giving your skin a gentle spotlight. Apply a pea-sized amount all over or just on high points like cheekbones and nose. Focus on areas you want to highlight for extra radiance. This creates a smooth, glowing base for your makeup. Your foundation will glide on and look more natural. Your skin is now clean, hydrated, and ready. You've given it the care it deserves. Prepping well makes all the difference. It's the secret to a flawless, long-lasting look. Let's move on to the next step. You're doing great. Ready for foundation? This is where the magic really starts. Let's keep that glow going. Remember, great makeup always starts with great skin prep. Your skin is the perfect canvas now. Well done? You're all set for the fun part. Onward to the fun part. Let's create your masterpiece together. Time for foundation. Choose a luminous or dewy formula to keep your glow. If you only have matte foundation, mix in a drop of illuminating primer. Apply with fingers, brush, or a damp sponge for a natural finish. Start with a little, add more only where needed. Next, concealer. Use a lighter shade under the eyes to brighten. Draw a small triangle under each eye and blend gently. Use a matching concealer to cover any blemishes. Just tap and blend. Your base should look even, bright, and still glowy. You're looking fantastic. The key is to keep it light and fresh. Let your natural skin shine through. Ready for some color? Let's add life to your cheeks and eyes. On to the next step. Time to add color. Use a cream blush for a dewy natural flush. Rosy or peachy pink is perfect. Smile, dab blush on the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards. Start small, you can always add more. Next, highlighter, tap a little on cheekbones, nose, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This catches the light and adds a party-ready sparkle. For eyes, keep it simple. One shimmery eyeshadow, champagne, gold, or bronze. Swipe it over your eyelid with your finger for a soft, elegant look. Curl lashes and add mascara for wide-awake eyes. That's it. Easy, glowy, and festive. You're glowing. Simple steps, big impact. Your face is bright and lively. Let's finish with lips and a final touch. Almost party ready. Just a few more steps. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going. Final touches. Let's do lips. For a fuss-free party look, try a tinted balm or gloss in a berry or rosy shade. Exfoliate lips gently, apply balm, then swipe on your color. Gloss adds to your overall glow and keeps lips looking fresh. Now, to lock in your look, use a dewy setting spray. Hold it at arm's length, close your eyes, and mist in an X and T shape. Let it air dry, don't touch your face. This keeps your makeup fresh and glowing all night. You're officially party ready. Your look will last through dancing and laughter. Enjoy the confidence of a look that stays put. One last check in the mirror. You look fantastic, ready to shine at the party. Let's wrap it up. You did it! Time to celebrate. Take a look. You look amazing. Your skin glows, cheeks are rosy, eyes sparkle, and lips pop. And you did it all yourself. Be proud. Makeup is about celebrating your features, not hiding them. Today you created a beautiful winter glow, but next time try something new. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. Now, put on your outfit, let your hair down, and spritz your favorite perfume. Don't stress about your makeup, just enjoy the party. Your happiness is what truly makes you glow. Makeup is just the cherry on top. Go out, have fun, and dazzle everyone. Remember this feeling? You can do this anytime. Well done. You're a makeup artist now. Have a fantastic time at the party. Cheerio and enjoy. You're ready for anything. Keep shining inside and out. See you at the next celebration.